Paano kung tinanong ka, what is your salary expectation? Siyempre, bigla kang matutulala. Oo nga, no? Hindi na paghandaan, di ba? Here's how not to answer this question. Ito yung mga wrong answer, okay? I'm open to anything. Inopera ng $100. Number 2, whatever fits your budget. Yan, mali yan, boss. Your worth. Parang sinasabi mo sa client mo na, ay, hindi ko pa alam yung aking kalagahan. Yan. Siyempre, yung mga low ballers, paborito nila yan. Okay? Yung offer nila $700, tapos sinabi mo, whatever fits your budget. Paano kung sinabi nila $100? Hindi, $100 nakikitain mo, diba? Mga premium client, makikita nila yan as a red flag. So, ganito mo siya sasagutin. Based on my experience and scope of work, I'm looking at a range of, for example, pinag-aralan mo, kunyari, video editor ka, okay? Or kung social media manager ka, kunyari, $800 to $1,200. Okay? So, yun, pwede mo sabihin yun. Then, ano sunod mo sasabihin? I'm open to discussing depending on the overall package. Okay? Kasi pag mga social media manager, may mga package yan. Mas maganda na alam mo yung rate mo. Ngayon, bakit to gumagana? Pinapakita lang nito na alam mo yung trabaho mo, alam mo yung value mo, professional ka at saka hindi ka desperado. You leave room for negotiation without underselling yourself. Remember, never price yourself based on their budget. Price yourself based on your own. Price yourself based on your worth. If you want more contents like this, gusto mo matuto o mga techniques, follow me for more.